Hi, this is June from the Business Blocks, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a lead capture form using JotForm. The first thing you're going to have to do is to set up your own JotForm account, and once you're already done with that, you can start creating your form. So first click on the Create Form button. Then you'll have three options over here. You can either start from scratch, you can use templates, or import form. We are going to choose the first one, which is to start from scratch. So click on that. Then choose classic form. And then you will see this empty form. We're going to be building it up using elements and fields. So click on this add form element over here to reveal all of these fields and elements that you can drag into the empty form. So first let's add a header. Click and drag into the empty form. And then type in sign up here. For your subheader, you can add, we have a ready-made subheader which we used for the other sample forms that we created earlier. So it's just this one. Would you like to access our best content straight to your email? Now you also have the options to center align the header. Just click on the properties button over here, and then under text alignment click on center, and already you can see it's centered. Next, we want to remove this pre-added element, and we want to add three fields: one for the first name, one for the last name, and for the email address. So first, since it's going to be just first name and last name, we can use short text. Drag it into the form and then name it first name. Same thing for the last name, short text, drag, and then name it last name, or label it last name. And finally is the field for where people can input their email. You can also add short text, but since we have these specified fields over here, you can choose email, drag, and drop. So you can either just say email, or you can say please provide your best email. And there you have it. You already created your form. You can also customize it to make it look the way you want. You can click on this blue button which says Form Designer, and you can select whatever color, font color, page color, form color. You also have preset color schemes over here. Let's probably use this just so it's more unique. You can also add your company's logo. Just click on add your logo, upload file, and then you can put it, let's put it at the center. So there you go. You have your logo at the top, and then the form below that. Once you're already satisfied with how the form looks like, you can now publish the form. We want to embed the code to our site, so go to embed, click on copy code, and add it to your site. At the Business Blocks, we use WordPress, so you can just follow the same procedure. Add the block, look for a short code, and paste the code. And then you can preview how it looks like once embedded. Let's see, scroll down, and there it is. That's the form you've just created. It was really easy. It only took us a few minutes. Go ahead and try it yourself.